Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming ownership of both accounts and enabling Gmail and Map. This allows Blum to read messages. Once done, generate an app password if your Google account uses two-step verification, because Blum will need credentials that bypass normal WebOAuth. Now open Blum and go straight to Settings, then Integrations or Email. You're starting live configuration. The reason is security and reliable sync, so do not skip creating the app password. Blum needs explicit access to pull email data safely. You will now input Gmail credentials into Blum. Choose Add Account, pick Email, and then Gmail or Other if Gmail isn't listed. Enter your full Gmail address, then paste the app password you created for manual setup input and map. Gmail, com993, SSL and SMTP. Gmail, com465/587, SSL/TLS. Once configured, click Test Connection. This confirms Blum can fetch and send mail. If prompted, allow Blum any requested permissions so syncing can proceed. This step prevents finish by confirming which folders and labels Blum will sync. Verify inbox, sent, and any important labels are mapped correctly, because mismatches cause missing messages. Then set sync frequency and notifications so you get timely updates without battery drain. Make sure you save settings and monitor the first sync to ensure messages appear. If syncing fails, check your app password, that a map is enabled in Gmail, and that no firewall or VPN blocks ports. Re-enter credentials if necessary, since most issues are credential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.